What's up guys, Only Wins Fortnite. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take your YouTube videos and put them onto Instagram. So if you guys are Fortnite players, which you probably are not, you guys can use my code OnlyWinsFortnite if you want to support my channel. Alright, let's get this video started. So I have the app YouTube, but it's easier if you just go into your browser and you type in youtube.com. It'll take you here. You see it has the m.youtube.com. That's because it's on your mobile device. So you want to change that, and you want to change it into your desktop. So you go down to the bottom right for me, and then from here you're going to see a place that says desktop site. You click on that. I'm waiting for it to load up. Alright, and then make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you are logged into your account, you can push on your icon, whatever that is. It's at the top right. And then you want to go to Creator Studio or your channel. Go to your channel.
Welcome to Friday Night Fight.
That's the video I want to put up. So there you go. You just click Manage Videos on the top right, waiting for it to load up, and then you select the video that you want. So the video that I want was the video that I had on my banner, and it's right here. You can close up like this if you want. It makes it easier. So Friday Night Fights is the video that I want. You click it, and then you click the three dots. And then for this part, it's kind of important, guys. If you just click it, it's gonna click whatever's under the page. So you want to hold download, hold it, and then you go to open in new tab, and now it says download file. You download file, and alright, file is downloaded. So from there you back out, you go to Instagram. This is my Instagram page, and you're gonna look for the plus icon. So I've seen a plus icon at the bottom center, but for me it's at the top right. So hit the plus, and then you
Welcome to Friday Night Fights, a tournament held every Friday for people that use my support or creator code, OnlyWinsFortnite. The winner walks away with the glory, a gift from the item shop, and bragging rights till next Friday. Joining is easy. Just use code OnlyWinsFortnite in the item shop, and you're invited every single Friday to fight for the title.
the arrow and just post it up, guys, and that's how you do it. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those notifications, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.